In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a public profile on Snapchat. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So if you want to create a public profile on Snapchat and add that subscribe button to your Snapchat profile, then what you have to do is to open Snapchat application. At the top left corner of your screens, you will see your profiles icon. So click on it and then click on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screens. Scroll down and below this privacy control option, click on contact me and set this option to everyone. Now go back, then click on view my story and set this option to everyone as well. Now go back to Snapchat's main screen, scroll down. Now right in front of Spotlight and Snap Map, click on options and click on create public profile. Click on continue, get started and then click on create. And that's it. Your public profile is now created on Snapchat. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.